Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV1, and today we're bringing you a tour of one of the renovated rooms at Disney's Pop Century Resort. We hope you enjoy the video. And this particular room is in the 50s section of the resort. And I stayed here actually to capture the resort TV, but I wanted to show the room as well. So there are the beds, and of course I actually brought my own pillow there, but they've got 4 pillows on every bed. One of the things I was a little disappointed about was the fact that they don't actually have a comforter on the bed that kind of shows the 50s or kind of a pop century style comforter. I think they used to have something like that on the bed, so this is more of a generic white comforter, so that's probably easier to replace when it gets stained. I'm sure that's why that happened, but still it's kind of a nice touch that was lost. So, and the headboards are nice. The furniture actually is similar to what they have in some of their other resorts, like Art of Animation and things like that. And here they do have this really cool picture that shows some of the Pop Century memorabilia from the 50s. You can see 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea there, the Mickey Mouse Club, all kinds of cool stuff, even a Mickey Mouse guitar there. And you can see it says Disney 50s. There's even an old Disneyland ticket there. So really cool, a lot of neat stuff there. And back on the other side of the room, they do have this table here. And it's really nice. It's got a nice design in the middle here. And they actually had this particular brochure on the table, a little card actually. And it shows the Skyliner, the family with mouse ears on, and the Walt Disney quote there. And on the other side of it, it actually shows where the Skyliner is going to go. So that's really cool. It shows even Disney's Riviera Resort, which hasn't been finalized yet, but it says it's proposed on the card. So that's pretty cool. So here's the TV and the entertainment system with some dresser drawers and things in it. Of course, all the resorts have flat screen TVs now, so that's really nice. I think it's been that way for a while. And again, the furniture is similar to what you find at like Art of Animation and some of the other newer resorts that have been renovated. And they do have a mini fridge there, so you can get some beverages and keep your milk or other things cold if you need to. We always used to actually grab milk at the different food court areas, and then we would go back and put it in our room, and that way we could have breakfast in the room with cereal, so it was a little cheaper. So anyway, and there's the Kleenexes if you were looking for those. I always thought that maybe they should be closer to the bathroom, but that is where they are. And here's a place to put your suitcases, and if you've got 4 people in this room, which is the maximum occupancy, definitely you can use all this space to put your stuff. And then here's a nice little coat hanger or / poncho hanger. You can hang your wet raincoat, poncho, or anything else here, or winter coat if you're here when it's cold. And they do have this curtain here which separates the bathroom area from the rest of the room if you need a little bit of extra privacy. And there you can see the sink, same style as the rest of the room. Hello. There's the mirror. And they've got the standard shelf and extra pillow and ironing board and little safe there and place to hang your clothes if you want, and a suitcase stand. And here's the bathroom. This really hasn't changed much. But I did want to point out that they do have the H2O shampoo and conditioner there that they're still giving out. I know some of the resorts just have the shampoo in the pump bottle. So this actually has the shampoo and conditioner separately, which is nice. I'll be taking those home. They're kind of nice, the H2O brand. And I didn't really show the carpet before, but it's really nice. You can see all these hidden Mickeys in here. So that's really cool. Just the little details that make a Disney vacation just a little bit more magical. So you can see all kinds of hidden Mickeys there. And there's the nightstand again. And I actually had a really nice view here of the Hourglass Lake, I believe is what it's called, out there between the Pop Century and the Art of Animation. So really nice, peaceful place to have a room here. Well, that's all for our room tour at Disney's Pop Century Resort. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave us a like and a comment and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, as well as WindowRepairParts.us. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye. Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.